Siemens and Desktop Metal have announced a new multifaceted partnership aimed at accelerating the adoption of additive manufacturing for production applications with a focus on the world's largest manufacturers. Desktop Metal says that the new collaboration will include multiple aspects of its business and benefit end users in a variety of ways. The two companies will work on specific industrial-scale projects involving data handling and environmental, health, and safety topics. Additionally, the new partnership will work to promote the benefits of additive manufacturing 2.0 technologies, with a focus on binderjet 3D printing as a key technology solution that can reduce waste, produce more, and build more resilient supply chains. Ric Fulop, founder and CEO of Desktop Metal, stated, "We're proud to partner with Siemens to improve the integration of Desktop Metal solutions into existing trusted Siemens manufacturing infrastructures, which can help manufacturers prove out their manufacturing resources and concepts prior to the purchase of full work cells." Desktop Metal, based in Burlington, Massachusetts, is accelerating the transformation of manufacturing with an expansive portfolio of 3D printing solutions, from rapid prototyping to mass production. Shares of Desktop Metal trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol DM. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.